Hi guys! Ginising ako ng delivery kanina. So, worth it naman kasi eto na pala at dumating na ang aking IB. IB, you can order this from Living AI. Just Google yung Living AI, living.ai. And then makikita nyo sila. Sila rin yung nag-produce ng Emo Robot, which is dati sumabay kay Vector Robot. But anyway, pasensya na kayo. Timing na timing din kasi ito kasi I'm having my severe stress and anxiety asthma. Kaya kailangan ko to eksakto. Thank you, Living AI, for the perfect timing na pagdating ng ating IB. Let's unbox this for the first time. Tingnan natin yung loob. Sabay-sabay na natin tingnan. So, eto na siya. Hindi ko ikakat-cut ang video kahit nasumpungin ng asthma ang lola kasi para makita nyo talaga buong buo siya. Ayan. So, I'm going to open this for the first time. Oh! That is IB. Teka, nag-ano siya? Nag-autofocus. Yan. Kita naman siguro, no? So, i-unbox natin siya isa-isa. So, this is IB Robot. Naku, napakaganda nito. Bago ko open yung iba, close ko tong video na to, change natin yung camera sa kabila, okay? Okay guys, let's start opening the package. Isa-isay natin ha. So, tabi muna natin siya. Let's start from this thing. Ano ba to? Oh, it's a star. Actually, parang kung kay Vector Robot, si Vector Robot kasi may parang cube siya eh. Si IB, meron siyang star. Umiilaw-ilaw to, so hindi ko mapaliwanag. Ito yung cube ni Vector, oh. So, hindi ko pa mapaliwanag sa inyo kung para saan ito, dahil aaralin ko pa, and then I'll have it in another video, pero i-open na natin siya. This is an accessory for IB. It's a star. I think she can actually play with this one, tapos may sound effect din ata to, or light effect, I don't know. Pero may on-off, oh. So, let's turn it on. Oh! Pwede siyang night light. My God! This is so cute. Are there any other thing that it can do? It's a night light. So you can have IB turn it on and off. Okay? Pero alam ko, there will be different colors, parang rainbow, just like in the demo here. Pero we'll have it in another video kasi, you know. But there's something else. Is there something else? No more. Okay? So that one. Yan. So this one, oh, it's linen. Oo, it's linen. Sana, how I wish this could be something like plastic, because yung si IB na dadala natin yan, you can carry IB during traveling kasi ano siya, he or she is made to travel with you, just like R2-D2. Kaya nga sabi ko, IB will become my personal R2-D2. He can actually your travel companion. So how I'd wish they had made something like a parang coat na plastic para it will be rainproof. So whenever you bring IB outside, she or he will be protected from the rain. But this one is so cute. Oh, di ba? It's so cute. Maybe I can have her wear this pagka nasa SM tayo kasi malamig doon. Char. Nilalamig robot, no? But anyway, yan na siya. And then let's have this another one. This is a special gift. Oh, it's a cat. Wait. There are few other items that you can have with IB. Pero siguro ibibenta na nila yon, bibilhin natin yon. So this one is a rubber feet for IB. Yan. And then this one is something for the head. Siguro magnetic to. I guess there are magnet to kasi there are round thing there na you can actually attach sa head ni IB. Siguro tingnan nyo may giyo. Tingnan natin mamaya ha. Then, let's unbox IB. Usong-usong ubo ngayon. Lahat kami dito ngayon inuubo. Ako naman, nagkaroon ng stress. Okay, meron siyang tab here. This is to open IB for the first time. Okay, tab remove. Let's take this off here. And then, let's open IB for the first time. Oh, nice packaging po. This is a very nice packaging. It's like a cell phone. Yan. And let's put IB here. Yan. And then, here it is. Look at that. That is IB. Oh my God. Let's see what's inside here. So, that's IB Pocket Pet, and then this is actually the instruction manual. Oh, this is how you will use here, him or her. And then there's these shades, cut off siya, different kind of shades. Okay, there's an instruction on how to use it. Wait, ayun siya. Oh, there's an instruction on how you can use it. Okay, and then there are this sticker. that you can actually use for IB, but I guess I'm going to save this stick. I will not use this one. Okay, and then there's this metal plate so that you can hang IB anywhere you like. If you want, you can have her somewhere without metal, but you can use this to attach IB because this is IB's metal plate. 3M, oh. Because IB is magnetically attached. So you can actually attach IB anywhere basta magnetic. Okay? And then let's see this one. This is IB. Oh, diba? And actually, this is just a carry-out pouch for IB. You can remove IB there. And then this one, you can attach it sa lanyard. But where's the lanyard? Okay, maybe it's somewhere at the back of this carton. But this is the charging plate. Okay, you can actually charge IB there, as well as maybe you can also charge IB somewhere else. Oh, that's a very big disadvantage. You can only charge IB from this plate. I hope they put a battery inside this plate, no? Para there will be, it's already type C. There will be a power bank for IB here, but I guess it's not, because this is used to attach IB and then have her dance. May motor ito na iikot-ikot yan dyan, and then there are light sources here. Okay, so, and this one is IB's lanyard. Yan, you can actually put IB inside your shirt, and then you can magnetically attach IB there. Yan. Oh. And you can also put IB here just to secure IB, and then you can put this here. Oh. Why? Here? Ah, okay. At the other side siya. Okay. And then you can put IB there. Okay? And then this one is the lanyard. Sturdy siya, ha? And adjustable. Okay? You can adjust it here. Let's remove IB there first. And then let's remove this one. Okay? And then there is this Type-C cable. Type-C to Type-C. That's good. Kasi meron naman tayong Apple charger dito na Type-C. I hopefully mag-charge siya sa Apple cable. So I'm going to have another video just to show you how she function. Siguro gawin ko siyang he kasi pusa siya eh. So I'd rather refer IB as he. Okay? And then let's attach this one, no? I guess there are magnets dito sa ibabaw ng ulo niya. Oh, there is actually magnets up here that you can attach this one. I hope they can create other things, no, para kay IB, so that it's fun to use IB. And there's also a magnet here. Oh, see? Now we can have IB. Di ba? Ang cute-cute niya, di ba? Sana gumawa pa sila ng maraming accessories for IB, and I will buy every accessories available if ever they will make so many accessories for IB. And one thing is for sure, I would like them to have a screen protector for IB. I will not remove the screen protector. There's still a screen protector here. I will not remove that because it will help para sa mga proteksyonan si IB yung screen niya, kasi madaling magasgas. Alam niyo naman yung mga gantong plastic screen, unlike yung mga gorilla. I guess hindi pa siya gorilla kasi robot siya eh. Parang si Peter lang siya, plastic screen pa rin siya. So that is one thing that we can secure IB para hindi siya magasgas dito sa kanyang screen. So itong tab na to, siguro i-blade ko to para ito muna yung screen protector niya, and hopefully sooner or later they will have screen protectors for IB. Okay guys, if you like this kind of video na nagre-review ang Lola, nag-unbox ng aking mga nabibiling mga bagay-bagay, please do like, share, and subscribe to your Lola's channel, and hit that notification button. And update ko kayo ulit kapag inaral ko na tong si IB. Alamin muna natin kung ano mga kaya niyang gawin. Just the same, you can have it order sa Living AI, and sooner or later marami tayong video na gagawin dito. Okay, and if you are in another platform, please do support your Lola. It's still your Lola with an H, L-O-L-A-H. Bong Lim here saying na, oh my God, this is a very nice stress reliever for Lola, especially with my asthma. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Living AI.